Pons Femina Miss India Goa 2013 in association with Yamaha Ray, Crown and Jewelry partner PC Jeweler. मैं सुप्रीत आपका स्वागत करती हूँ to the land of beaches, seafood and complete relaxation. और जहाँ beaches हो, वहाँ can the beauties be far behind? गोवा में शॉर्टलिस्ट हुई हैं 13 लड़कियाँ who will now begin their wonderful journey. And अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए हमारी सुंदर कन्याओं को मिली कुछ important beauty tips and skincare advice from the Pons expert.
Skin is one of the organs which is so dynamic and it keeps undergoing changes, and we have to grow with our skin to understand what's happening to it so that we look our best at all times. Just 3 P's that you need to remember where your skin is concerned. The first is to preserve the skin, the second is to protect the skin, and the third is to pamper the skin. So what do we mean by preserve? Quite simply, for your skin, every day you need to service it by cleansing it. Protect. What are the 2 ways of protecting the skin? During the day, use a sunscreen, and during the night, using a moisturizer. And the third P that we're talking about is pamper your skin. I mean, very simply, pamper your skin with the right kind of lifestyle.
Dr. Aparna also demonstrated Pons Skin Analyzer app, जो iPad और iPhone पे available है, जो help करता है to take care of their beautiful skin using 4 parameters like dark spots, hydration, uneven skin tone, and fine lines and wrinkles. This was followed by a question and answer session.
I'd like to know how you can prevent tanning or darkening of the skin.
Tanning you actually cannot prevent. That's because the world over, people's skin is classified into various phototypes, and those of us who live in India, we fall between the phototypes 3 and 5. Our natural reaction when we go out in the sun is to tan. But what you can prevent is uneven tanning. If you use a day white cream which has a lightening agent as well as a sunscreen, that is what will prevent you from tanning unevenly and therefore darkening immediately.
Thank you.
Our girls are in Goa, but they aren't just lazing around on the beach. They participated in various sub-contests, जिसने contestants को prepare किया आने वाले challenges के लिए. Sub-contests like Pons Femina Miss Glowing Skin, Tresemme Femina Miss Stylish Hair,
This is the Tresemme. You're bringing home a beauty salon.
Lakme Absolute Femina Miss Iconic Eyes,
You use it, so enjoy.
and Max Femina Miss Fashion Icon were held to test our beautiful girls.
What we are judging now is PC Jewelers Femina Miss Timeless Beauty. And the parameters are definitely the beauty process that one goes through from the time they've been 8-9 months to the women they are today. So we have a collection of photographs which we have studied, which has helped us in deciding who the winner is for PC Jewelers Femina Miss Timeless Beauty. What we're going to judge right now is Yamaha Ray Femina Miss Adventurous. There's a question, and you have to write me a story in 5 minutes based on what that question is. Your time starts now.
And few beauty tips from Dr. Suhas Lele and Payal Gidwani. सब कॉन्टेस्ट से पैजेंट का फील तो मिल चुका है. अब इंतजार है तो सिर्फ फिनाले का. लेकिन before the clock starts ticking towards the gala event, I would like to take you on a scenic tour of our hospitality partners in Goa. The Aguada Anchorage, the villa resort spread over 8 acres of panoramic landscape. ये सुंदर villa resort गोवा के famous Aguada Fort के पास located है and is equipped with all the 5-star comforts a person visiting Goa can ask for. Our second hospitality partner was the Soul Villa, nested in calm and relaxing vicinity. Soul Villa एक perfect destination है for those seeking a break from hectic city life. Ladies and gentlemen, वक्त है कम और checklist लंबी. So to make sure कि हमारी beauties हैं 100% ready, Mark Robinson is spending extra time rehearsing with contestants for the big day.
Stand properly. Okay. In random order, contestant number 8.
Go back. Go back. Faster. Why are you daydreaming and walking so slowly? Yeah. You come around. Why is that so difficult? Come back, do that again. Meghna, I know you're enjoying the moment, but faster. Thank you, girls. Good luck.
The night of the grand finale is just around the corner और excitement आसमान छू रही है. The girls are in the green room now और हमारे beauty experts उन्हें तैयार कर रहे हैं grand finale के लिए. So let's go backstage. हमारे 13 finalists को gorgeous बनाने के लिए उनके बाल स्टाइल किए गए using products by Tresemme.
I'm being styled by Tresemme itself, and we are here to achieve this beachy look, which is going to be very, very, very gorgeous looking at last. Now we're going to start off with step number 1, which is shampooing your hair. That cleans your hair, so it gives you a clean, dry looking hair. But along with, we're going to use this conditioner, which is going to smoothen your hair and moisturize it well to look it more silky and smooth. Once your hair is dry, you take 1 inch of your section, take the curling iron and wrap it around in the alternative direction. Once when you're done with the curls, just run your finger through your hair and you get salon-like hair at home with the products of Tresemme.
Using products from Lakme's Absolute and Iconic collections, हमारे makeup expert ने contestants को दिया एक dazzling diva look.
I really like the Lakme Iconic products, especially the Lakme Iconic Mascara. I think it gives a really nice volume to my eyes, and the Lakme Iconic Kajal, it really defines the eyes. It is so jet black and I think it stays for almost 10 hours of the day. So it's just wonderful. I'm really happy.
Welcome back. The girls are looking drop-dead gorgeous. The atmosphere is electric, so without further ado, step into the grand finale with me.
A very good evening and welcome to Pons Femina Miss India Goa 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sachin Kumbar. I'm your host for this evening. Let me take this opportunity to introduce our judges for Pons Femina Miss India Goa 2013. Please welcome Advocate Pratima Coutinho, Mr. Subodh Kerkar, Jeeva Bhatt, Femina Miss India International 2012, Rochelle Rao. Well, hold your breath as we bring to you the 13 dazzling girls who've made it to the Pons Femina Miss India Goa 2013, dressed head to toe in a special collection created for the event by Max. And I have to highlight the title holder will get a direct entry to the grand finale of Pons Femina Miss India 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you the 13 finalists. Well, let us now call upon the contestants in their LBDs. These are these little black dresses designed by Jaya Misra. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you once again the 13 finalists of Pons Femina Miss India Goa 2013.
I'm very sure you couldn't take your eyes off these beautiful and talented women. While judges are evaluating their performances, देखते हैं कि किन लड़कियों ने जीते sub-contests which were conducted earlier.
Now it's time to crown the sub-contest winners. The first one is Pons Femina Miss Glowing Skin, and to do the honors, can I please request Brand Manager Pons, Miss Namita Bora, to be on stage. And the Pons Femina Miss Glowing Skin this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is contestant number 5, Joanne Dacuna. Can I please request Marketing at India Yamaha Motor Private Limited, Mr. Daiji Matsuoka, to please come up on stage. And the Yamaha Ray Femina Miss Adventurous goes to contestant number 12, Sanjana D'Souza. BC Jeweler Femina Miss Timeless Beauty. And to do the honors, can I call the Creative Director Operations contestant and the Creative Femina Miss India, Mark Robinson. BC Jeweler Femina Miss Timeless Beauty goes to contestant number 13, Shivani Joshi. Next is Max Femina Miss Fashion Icon, and to do the honors, can I please request Mr. Rajesh Kumar, Regional Manager, Max Fashion. And Max Femina Miss Fashion Icon goes to contestant number 4, Gail Da Silva. Tresemme Femina Miss Stylish Hair. And can I please request Mr. Shaji Nair, Brand Manager, Tresemme, to be on stage. And the Tresemme Femina Miss Stylish Hair goes to the girl right next to me, contestant number 1, Aditi Vats. Lakme Absolute Femina Miss Iconic Eyes. And to do the honors, can I please have Mr. Sudhanshu Kelkar, Brand Manager, Lakme, to come up on stage. And the Lakme Absolute Femina Miss Iconic Eyes goes to contestant number 13, Shivani Joshi. Tito's Femina Miss Congeniality. Can I please request the man behind Tito's, David D'Souza, to do the honors? Please, could we have you on stage? And the Tito's Femina Miss Congeniality, and thankfully there's a tie this time. Contestant number 1, Aditi Vats, and contestant number 11, Rama Bishnoi. Enhanced Femina Miss Body Beautiful. For the same, I would like to call upon Creative Director Operations contestant and Creative Femina Miss India. Once again, Mr. Mark Robinson. And the Enhanced Femina Miss Body Beautiful is contestant number 6, Lopamudra Raut. And last but not the least, the Sinhagat Femina Miss Intellectual. Can I please request Mr. Rohit Navle, Vice President, Sinhagat Technical Education Society, to come up on stage. And the winner of Sinhagat Femina Miss Intellectual is Lopamudra Raut. Please come back. Thank you so much, girls.
Congratulations to all the winners. अब वक्त हो गया है हमारे ग्रैंड फिनाले के कारवां से दोबारा जुड़ने का. We will have a gorgeous girls grace the ramp once again dressed in beautiful gowns which are designed by Jaya Misra. और हमारे top 5 finalists are contestant number 4, Gail Da Silva, contestant number 6, Lopamudra Rao, contestant number 8, Megha Tang, contestant number 9, Meghna Raj, and contestant number 11, Rama Bishnoi. The judges will now test their intelligence and wit in the question and answer session before we crown the top 3 winners.
Rochelle Rao.
Do you think social media has helped or hurt our society?
Well, I think social media is really important to us because they give us the recent updates about what's going on in the society. It depends on the person on how they perceive it. They can take it in a positive or a negative way.
Jiva Bhatt.
What can men learn from women?
I believe the only one thing that men lacks is to let go and to forgive like a woman. That's all.
Wish you all the very best and thank you so much, girls.
I know that हमारे हमारी टॉप 5 फाइनलिस्ट मस्ट बी रियली नर्वस राइट नाउ, लेकिन उनको थोड़ा रिलैक्स करने के लिए we present an awe-inspiring performance by international sensation Oliver Shawn.
Time goes by, makes you forget the time she made you cry. We can all go on trying to remember a part of you when she walked away, and all I remember is that night when we kissed, when you smiled.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment is here. Let's give a huge round of applause and call upon the 13 contestants of Pons Femina Miss India Goa 2013 together on stage for one last time. To announce the second runner-up this evening for the Pons Femina Miss India Goa 2013, can I please call upon Jiva Bhatt? And the second runner-up for the Pons Femina Miss India Goa 2013 is contestant number 9, Meghna Raj. The first runner-up for Pons Femina Miss India Goa 2013, ladies and gentlemen, is contestant number 6, Lopamudra Raut. Can I also request to do the honors, Advocate Pratima Coutinho, to please come up on stage. To the crowning, can I please call upon the gorgeous, the hot, the super sexy Rochelle Rao. And the title holder for the Pons Femina Miss India Goa 2013, contestant number 4, Gail Da Silva.
It feels amazing to win the title of Pons Femina Miss India Goa 2013. It gives me the opportunity to represent my state, and I couldn't get happier.
How do you feel having won PCGA Femina Miss Timeless Beauty?
I'm feeling wonderful. Actually, I'm feeling beautiful. So it's great. I just love this title that I've won.
I won Enhanced Femina Miss Body Beautiful, and it's really privileged to win this.
I'm Pons Femina Miss Glowing Skin. And right now, I'm at the Pons Experience Center, checking out a few of their products.
I just won Yamaha Ray Femina Miss Adventurous. I'm really excited. I guess it pays to be an outside girl.
It feels great to be the winner of Tito's Femina Miss Congeniality. And it's a double happiness as we both have won the crown and the sachet too.
It feels great to be the winner of Max Femina Miss Fashion Icon. I won Sihagar Femina Miss Intellectual, and it's really great feeling.
I'm the winner of Lakme Absolute Femina Miss Iconic Eye 2013. I'm the winner of Tresemme Femina Miss Stylish Hair 2013.
We Yamaha have just launched a new scooter Ray. It's Hello to New Life. It's our product tagline. It's a good promotion to the young female customers.
इस मस्तानी शाम ने वाकई में मदहोश कर दिया। दिल तो कह रहा है कि कुछ दिन और गोवा में बिताएं, लेकिन with a heavy heart I say, in a true Konkani way, yeta Goa. हमारा ये सफर आगे बढ़ेगा, and we will meet you shortly in another beautiful city of India with some of the most beautiful and talented women from the country. लेकिन till we meet again, मुझे याद रखिएगा. This is Supreet saying goodbye. You keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.